Aw, breakfast for dinner. Albatross. It's a song that I know. I don't know who sings it. Want to eat pancakes for dinner? Politics are depressing. Politics are depressing. Although I saw a headline today. I did read the article too. Didn't have any details. I read 1440, if any of you guys are familiar with that, which is trying to be unbiased news sources. Let's see, do we reach over to the table so I can read chat? Yay, we do. Try not to fall off the table. Poached best, but these are scrambled. I used to do sunny side up all the time. Poached still looks scary to me. And actually, I did sunny side up for a little while, and then I realized over easy was amazing, and then I did over easy, and then I actually like over medium, and then get mad at any time I'd ever order over medium in the restaurants, and they would come out over hard because over medium is hard to get. So intact, kinda runny yolk, kinda guy. It's that would be over medium, right? Intact, kinda runny, where it's got like half runniness, half like golden, delicious mushiness, but not actually fully cooked yolk. Yeah, that's what that was. All right, we need white paint. White paint. Oh, you know what? I just took all the paint inside, didn't I? Crap. Crap on a cracker. Yeah, no slimy whites. Yeah, that's why I stopped getting sunny side, is because slimy whites. Spongy, bad texture for the mouth. All right. Because I need, let's see, 1, 2, like half of these are acrylics and need paint in them. All right, we're gonna run inside for just a moment. So Albatross, I was talking about you after you lurked and saying that I was wondering if you would want to do, and probably you'll already know the answer, I don't know why I'm asking it this way. Do you know the weather vane, the Gravity Falls weather vane? I think that would look very cool burned onto something. So yes, the what weather vane exactly? Where's the glues? So if you have an interest in doing that, you should talk.